Hi, hola, ¿cómo está? Hello, welcome back. Finally, I have part 2 for y'all. Sorry, I've been super sick. I will tell you about it in the upcoming mini podcast episode. I love this top so much, y'all. I can't wait to wear it to the beach next week. There's me. As you can see, it fits more than one size. All right, I wanted to delve into a couple of things about this piece that are quite remarkable. If you have someone with a smaller bust and you need it to be way up here more, just slide these up, okay? If you have someone with a larger bust size, you would want to slide down, or if someone has a longer or shorter torso, you can move these accordingly, okay? Now you will want to put stitch glue in between these little, between the clove hitches, double half hitches. But you won't want it to interfere with it being able to slide up or down, okay? So there's that. Also, so you will see this part right here. I want you to note that I've basically done a wrapped knot with square knots. All the other ones are hidden in there, and then I cut it down, and then I light the back on fire because it's polypropylene and it holds, gets rid of all the fringe. So these are wrapped knots. See how this is done? I burned this a little bit. I can fix that easily, but it's all wrapped and then it's cut down. All right, so cut off the excess as close as you can without cutting into the clove hitches. And then you want to get your lighter out and start burning. Now, as I said in a previous video from the harness macrame piece from like a month ago, don't do this on the mannequin. I don't understand why I did this on, not the mannequin, the dress form. I don't know why I did this again. I wasn't thinking. Take it off of the dress form and then burn it down. Be careful not to let the lighter kiss up against the clove hitches. You really just want to burn down the individual pieces that you have cut off in excess. Because if you burn too closely, it'll give it a discoloration. So take it off, because I don't want anything going up in flames, and I don't want to be blamed for it as just a simple YouTuber trying to show you how to make something. So don't do it this way, y'all. Also, I am not responsible for any blames or heretofore. Take cuidado.